Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the right prerequisites: a compatible iPhone and the latest iOS, plus an active Apple ID with iCloud enabled. Once that's ready, open Settings, find Apple Intelligence or Siri and search, and tap Turn On to start. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and plugged in for any large updates. This avoids interruptions. As you activate, the system will request permissions. Granting these lets Apple Intelligence access on device data to personalize suggestions. Take these first steps now so the deeper configuration runs smoothly. Once enabled, configure what Apple Intelligence can access. Allow mail and messages for summarization, photos for context, and selected apps for actions. Choose personalization level. Local processing keeps data on device, while cloud options improve accuracy for complex tasks. Make sure to review microphone and assistant permissions so voice features work, and toggle sensitive categories off if you prefer. These settings determine how helpful and private your assistant is, so spend a few minutes tailoring them. Your choices influence speed, relevance, and data residency. Finish by testing. Ask for a message summary, create a quick shortcut, and try a contextual suggestion to confirm behavior. Make sure automatic updates are allowed so models stay current, and verify your settings are backed up to iCloud. If results are off or features fail, restart the phone, then reset Apple Intelligence settings and sign out of your Apple ID, signing back in after a minute. This often resolves sync issues. If network errors persist, check Wi-Fi and privacy toggles before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.